Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to our 13th class for 6th standard computer science. Already finished the lesson 4 tables in Word 2016. Yes, ma? Yes. Today we will learn about lesson 4 book exercise and question answers. Now I am going to see book exercise. Write neatly and correctly. Use pen only. Okay, ma? Yes. Listen. First of all, I read the book exercise. Listen carefully. All of you take page number 45. First one. What is the maximum size of table that can be inserted using table grid option? Option A 5 cross 5, option B 10 cross 8, option C 7 cross 8. Answer is 10 cross 8. Question number 2. In order to enter data in a cell of table, the insertion pointer must be in which cell? Option A, the required cell. Option B, the previous cell. Option C, the next cell. Answer is option A, the required cell. The table move handle has a inside it. Option A, small rectangle. Option B, small circle. Option C, small cross. Answer is option A, small rectangle. 4. The table resize handle is visible in the dash on the table. Option A, top left. Option B, bottom right. Option C, bottom left. Answer is bottom right. 5th question. The split cells command is part of option A, design tab. Option B, layout tab. Option C, insert tab. The answer is option B, layout tab. B, filling the blanks. First question. The table dash handle is at the top left of the table. Move handle. Answer is move handle. Second one. Pressing dash key immediately adds a row to the table if on the last cell of table. Answer is tab. T-A-B, tab. Next, take page number 46. You may change around the look and feel of the table using dash tab, design tab. Then, 4th question. In the dash dialog box, you may enter the rows and columns into which to split the selected cells. Answer is split cells. Split cells. Then 5th one. The dash cells operations result in a single cell only. Merge cells. Then C. State whether true or false. First question. The insert table command takes inputs from the user related to table. Answer true. Draw table involves setting the rows and columns of table by hand. Answer true. You can move the table using resize handle. Answer false. You can resize the table using move handle. False. 5th question. The insert below command is related to adding column in table. False. Answer is false. Then D. Match the following columns combining of cells to make it single. Answer merging of cells. The shortcut way of adding row. Answer tab key. Tab used to change look and feel of table. Answer design tab. Delete table command is part of. Answer layout tab. 5th one. Design and layout are examples of table tools tabs. Then next, answer the following questions. First question. What are the steps to insert a table using insert table command? Take page number 38. Answer. Keep the insertion pointer where you want the table to be inserted. Second step, click on Insert tab, Tables Group, Table drop down, then click on Insert Table option. The Insert Table dialog box appears, shown figure 4.3. Then third step, enter the number of rows and columns you want in the table. Then fourth step, press OK. A table with the dimensions as entered is inserted in the document. Then second question, what are the positions of the move and resize handles on the table? Answer. Take page number 45. Answer. The positions of the move and resize handles on the table are move handle top left corner, resize handle bottom right corner. Next, third question, what are the steps required to delete a row of table? Take page number 42. Answer. First step, with the mouse focus on table or multiple rows highlighted for deletion, click on Layout tab. Then second step, from Rows and Columns group, click on Delete drop down, choose Delete Rows option. The rows with the mouse focus or highlight gets deleted from the table. Next question, fourth question, define the term splitting of cells. Write the steps to perform it. Children, take page number 44. Answer. First step, select a cell which you want to split into multiple cells. Second step, go to the Layout tab. Third step, click on the split cells in the merge group. The split cells dialog box will appear. Fourth point, enter the number of rows and columns to split the cells. Fifth one, click on OK. The cells gets splitted. Next, fifth question, how would you add a column to a table in Word 2016? Take page number 42. Answer. First step, keep the mouse focus on column of table to left or right of which column is desired. Click on Layout tab. Third step, from the Rows and Columns group, click on any one of the following options. A column gets added to the table at the position as chosen. Insert left means to insert a column to the left of the selected column or cell. Insert right to insert a column to the right of the selected column or cell. Then application based questions. First question, Resolve is not able to relocate the table that he has inserted in a document. How can you help him in his efforts? All of it, take page number 39. Answer. F1. First step, click on the table. You will then notice a plus sign at the left hand top corner. For example, the table move handle. Second step, place the mouse pointer on the table move handle and drag the table to where you want by pressing the left mouse button. Third step, release the mouse button. Your table is placed at that place. Then application based questions. Second question, Ramesh has inserted a table. He is not able to resize the table. How can you help him in his efforts? Take page number 40. Answer. F2. Click on the table. You will notice a small square at the right hand bottom corner of the table. The small square is known as resize handle. Move the mouse pointer on the table resize handle and you will see a double-headed arrow on it. Then third step, drag the mouse drag the table to the desired size by pressing the left mouse button. Fourth one, release the mouse button when you get the desired size. Okay ma. Next, take page number 46. All of you see activities shown. First one, a table tool tab useful in changing look and feel of table design. Answer is design, D-E-S-I-G-N, design. Second one, a computer terminology for the term remove, delete, D-E-L-E-T-E. Then combining multiple cells into one. Answer M-E-R-G-E, merge, M-E-R-G-E, merge. Dividing one or more cells into multiple cells, split, S-P. Answer S-P-L-I-T, split, S-P-L-I-T, split. Children, have you understood? Yes. First lesson, sorry ma, fourth lesson is completed. Book exercise and question answer completed. Then children, you should write neatly and correctly. Use pen only in your computer note. Is it clear to you? Yes. Next, today homework. Study the book exercise and question answers in lesson 4. Study well. Remain, we will see the next class. Thank you, children.